Hello and welcome to another lesson online. So for today we're going to focus around rolling and rolling a ball in particular. So we're going to go through 4 different activities where you are going to need to use rolling and you might need to use some more equipment to help yourselves complete the activities. So activity number one, you need a ball and you need to lay out some different sections, some gates that you're going to go through with the ball in hand. I've used cleaning products that were in the house. You can use anything, you can use plates, you can use tissues, anything you can find to make little gates that you can roll the ball through will be perfect. Alright, so now I'm going to show you activity 1 and I want you to roll the ball with your dominant hand. So for me, I'm left-handed, so I'm going to use my left hand and I'm going to roll the ball very nice and slowly with control through the gates. Let's see what we can do. Once you've gone through activity number 1 3 times and you don't lose control of the ball, then I want you to try and go on to activity number 2. Activity number 2 is going through the gates but in a different sequence. You can choose the sequence. I want you to try and change directions, change which gates you go through and see if you can remember the way that you went through it. I'm going to show you now. Once you've done that 3 times and remembering the order you go in, then I want you to move on to activity number 3. Activity number 3, I want you to go back and you need to use your other hand. So your non-dominant hand. So once again, I'm left-handed, so now I'm going to use my right hand to do the rolling. So I'm going to go around in a nice and slowly with control and use my right hand. Activity number 4, and the last activity for today. Activity number 4 is using something else to roll the ball rather than your hands. For me, I couldn't find my rolling pin, so I'm going to use a kitchen device that we use to scoop food. So today I'm going to use this to now roll my ball through the different sections and see how fast I can go. After you've practiced a few times with your different equipment, I'd like you to ask someone at home to time yourself doing it. And then I want you to challenge that person to see if they can do it faster than you can. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and I'll see you next time.